Good morning, everybody. It's Eric Wilson with I Sell Health Incorporated. Recently, I had a blog post about the boxes of money. I thought I would kind of show it to you. And by the way, good morning, everybody. I'm here. Good morning. See me? Here. Hi. But my screen's not big enough there, so I want to use my whiteboard so you can see it good here. There are basically four kinds of money we figured out, or I figured out there. First of all, is taxable income. That is money you earn through your paycheck. Now, as we all know, when your paycheck, your money is taxed. They take money out of your paycheck. Uh, Back after the Great Depression, the largest tax bracket in the country was like 90%. So I mean, 90 cents out of every dollar you made got taxed. In the 70s, the highest tax bracket was like 70%. And right now, it is, I think the highest one is 39.5. So right now, you might say taxes are low, even though we think they're kind of high. So, but that's probably the least attractive type of income, right? Tax deferred in the probably about the 80s. The 401ks and all the retirement defined retirement plans came out, and the idea was you can defer your taxes until you take the money. So you put money into your IRA or perhaps your 401k, and you don't take money until you take it out. And the theory is when you retire, you're making less money, you're in a lower tax bracket. So that was the idea behind it. So if you were making $200,000 when you were working, or $100,000 when you were working, when you're retired, you might make $30,000 when your retirement funds. Therefore, you're only paying tax on your income of $30,000 versus $100,000. It was a good idea. Here's the problem we have now that we face, ladies and gentlemen, is that we are now trillions of dollars in debt. Okay, so at some point, when taxes, we just said taxes are kind of low comparatively speaking. It is feasible that they're going to go up in the future. Now, when you retire, currently, when you're working, a lot of times you're still paying for your house, your kids are still at home, so you get those tax write-offs, and you're making money. With the loss of those two write-offs, and the fact that you might be in a higher tax bracket due to taxes could go back up to 70% or 50%. I don't know, but you can't predict the future. But it seems logical that the only way to get out of this debt that the country's in is to stop spending or increase taxes, or a combination thereof. Somehow, I don't see the country stopping the spending. So the tax deferred, while at one point was a good idea, may or may not be the best strategy for you now. Okay, free money. I always like free money. Free money is the money your company matches in a 401k. If they may match up to 5%, up to 4%, what you put in. Uh, I always recommend people, if you're going to do that, don't put in more than they're going to match, because then you're losing the upside there, the match. So don't overfund it. The money you can use for other things. The downside to a 401k plan is they can and do lose money over time. So right now the market is doing well, so everybody's 401k is up. But do you remember 2001, 2008? People were losing thousands of dollars every month in their 401k. So something to think about there. And then my favorite kind of money is tax-free money. That'd be your Roth IRA, because you pay tax on it beforehand before you put it in, or a 7702A plan, which is basically a cash value life insurance plan. Those plans if they're set up correctly, are completely tax-free when you take the money out. Some of the nice things about a tax-free product, like especially the life insurance plan, is you don't have to. It doesn't matter how much money you make, you can contribute to it. You contribute to it at any amount. You don't have to start taking withdrawals at 70 and a half. You're allowed to take it before 59 and a half. So there are many advantages of the life insurance versus some of the other retirement vehicles, and of course, tax-free. Of the types of money, free money is obviously the best. But if it's in the wrong fund, like a 401k, you could still lose money on it, or tax-free, or tax-free, which is two of my favorite words, tax-free. So either way, I just want to take a quick little 5-minute share of this chart there to you. You can also read about it. It's on my blog, www.isellhealth.com. Just an idea for you. Have a great day. Thank you.